Hello, and welcome to the Kitchen Cleanout Challenge. While spring is often seen as the perfect time for cleaning, we can embrace the same energy any time of the year, especially when it comes to our kitchen. The kitchen is a key area in your home that can either support or sabotage your health goals. Whether you're making small upgrades to your diet or completely revamping your eating habits, a kitchen cleanout is an essential first step. This program guide will walk you through every part of the process for clearing out old and junk foods, cleaning and sanitizing, organizing your space for optimal use, and restocking your kitchen with healthier options. This step-by-step approach will help you create a kitchen environment that aligns with your health goals, making it easier to stay consistent. Remember, this isn't just about cleaning, it's about setting the stage for healthier eating habits. A clean, organized kitchen will support your journey towards optimal health and well-being. So let's get started. I hope you will enjoy this 5-day kitchen cleanout challenge.